Clear rectangular boxes by Colorel are ideal for packaging items like soap bars, jewelry, and candy, all while keeping contents beautifully visible and securely protected. Our clear rectangular boxes are made from premium PVC, the gold standard for clarity and durability, and are FDA approved for direct food contact. These boxes are not only crystal clear, but also easy to work with and scratch resistant, making them a pleasure to handle and ensuring a clean, professional presentation every time. For an accelerated workflow, choose our two-piece boxes, which consist of pre-formed lids and bases. For space efficiency, opt for our single-piece boxes, which arrive folded and are easy to assemble. Consider boxes with a decorative gold bottom insert for an elevated look and extra stability. For clarity, quality, and versatility, choose Colorel's clear rectangular boxes.